Developing an online course is one of the most efficient, effective, and rewarding ways to use your expertise to drive recurring revenue online. But it requires careful planning and organization. The first step is to choose a topic that aligns with your expertise and addresses the needs of your audience. When choosing your topic, and this shouldn't be a surprise, teach what you know. What experience do you have that many people might be eager to learn from? What are people already asking you about? Research what questions and resources already exist in your chosen area to offer a unique perspective. Let's look at a hypothetical example of a makeup artist. Since online courses can be accessed from anywhere and don't require her availability, her course will allow her to reach new clients, free up her schedule, and bring in passive income. This particular business owner's most booked service is applying natural makeup for photo shoots. So, our makeup artist decides to create a video course teaching people how to apply camera-ready makeup and set up a simple photo shoot to take professional headshots at home. Once you've chosen a topic, it's time to create a course outline. Start by identifying all of the lessons in your course. In general, it's a good practice for each lesson to focus on one specific thing. Write out each lesson title in a list, and then go back and make sure that it's crystal clear what each lesson is about. If you have a lot of lessons, consider breaking them up by theme into chapters. Simple courses might not need them, but they can be a helpful way to organize information if your course is more complex. You should aim for an overall course length of at least 30 minutes, though Squarespace does support much longer courses too. Depending on how much you have to say and how much you want to charge, you can build courses that are as long as you like. But as a best practice, you should try to keep individual lessons short and actionable. A course with 15 5-minute lessons is easier to digest than a course with 5 15-minute lessons. Now that you have a course outline, you should consider what you want to cover in each lesson. Some course creators like to write out a script of exactly what they're going to say, and others just need a few bullet points. But regardless of what kind of a creator you are, it's worth taking some time to consider exactly what you want your students to take away from each lesson and how you'll communicate that. After you've prepared your lesson notes, there's one more step. Consider spending some time developing supplemental course content. Remember, an online course is more than just talking to your audience. Create a comprehensive experience by developing supplementary content like worksheets or guides and setting assignments for each lesson. To make your course visually appealing and engaging, ensure a consistent and pleasing design throughout your course materials, website, and digital marketing. Organize your content effectively with clear chapter descriptions, appropriate titles, URL slugs, and content metadata to improve searchability and enhance your brand. By following these steps, you can create a valuable online course that not only shares your expertise, but also provides an immersive learning experience for your audience.